Hey YouTube, this is the extremely right-wing Mexican in Northern California. Sun's coming up here over the hill there, and there's like 4 deer there, and 5 in that little group there. There's not a lot of water out there, so here close to the ocean they're doing okay. Of course we're in the grip of a pretty severe drought. It's been really dry here in Northern California. Back at Navarro Point, getting ready for a trail group meetup, and I just saw all of those deer eating. A quick EDC update. I've been rocking this Smith & Wesson Shield with a QVO holster, and for my reload I have one of the 8-rounders and then one of these like clip draw things, Neo-Mag things, which is actually for a 45, so it doesn't really fit that snug against the magazine, but lightweight, cool product. I just need to update to the 9mm one. This is the extremely right-wing Mexican in Northern California, signing out.